The makeup tutorial I'm gonna try to recreate is this one. That was filmed a year ago, and I could have done like his new Kylie Jenner one, but I don't really want to put my face next to Kylie Jenner's, you know, because like self-esteem's like already not, like I just don't want to do that to myself today. So we're going with that one. So I have my handy dandy computer, and we're just gonna watch the tutorial and, well, follow it, hopefully. So let's just get started. Do the transition, okay. Oh, need a charger. Luckily, I'm sitting right behind a plug. Haha. Okay, who's ready for yeah? Alrighty, James, give it to me.
Hi, sisters.
Hi. If I can pull this off, this will be sick for Halloween. Like, I don't even need a costume. I'll just wear that on my face. I'm stressed.
Not the easiest makeup look I've ever done. It took a very long time.
Awesome.
But I feel like it's not that hard. You just have to be really, really patient and grab your pinkity drinkities and let's get started.
Oh man, dang it. I didn't get a pinkity drinkity. Cancel the video. Dang it. Wait, I want to have a cool intro. Roll my intro.
Brand new Crystal Lip Balm.
I don't have that. Can you focus? Everywhere I go focuses on me. No, I'm over here. Okay, I have this. Barely any of it left. So I don't have an EOS sponsor today, so I'm just gonna use this stuff. I got it in my mouth, and I literally never do that. This is a wreck. This is why I avoided this for 2 whole weeks. Chapstick done. Easy. This is so easy so far. I'm currently mixing caffeines right now, so if I'm a little out of the ordinary, that is why.
So I'm gonna quickly go ahead and do my base off camera as well as my eyebrows to save some time, and then I'll be right back to start off the eyes. Okay, so jumping right in, I have my base.
Wait, what? He completely skipped the whole, base. I have to figure out how to do foundation by myself? He looks like contoured and everything. Okay. Okay, we got this. Let's get started. There's my mirror. How do beauty gurus use a mirror and...
I don't like this.
Okay, I'm ready. We got this. Let's get started. So I'm just gonna do what I usually do, which is nothing. So I literally don't even own foundation. So I'm just gonna use my heaviest concealer everywhere. This is a beauty guru thing. This is the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer.
I'm not even in the frame and it's still focusing on me.
Oh my gosh, look. You know when beauty gurus move it too much and then you can't even see it? They're like, this is my new primer. And my eyelash extension just fell out. I wasn't even touching my eye.
What is happening right now?
It's really hard to work around eyelash extensions. I feel like a little cake, you know, and I'm just icing it up. Honestly, if I could get good at makeup, I would have a YouTube for it. I mean, obviously, I actually started with makeup tutorials on my channel. We can roll those clips right now.
Long story short, my camera is freaking pissing me off. Okay guys, so I'm going to do my eye look. But yeah, so what was this long? Okay, bye guys.
Yeah, I was 10 and I thought colored eyeliner was a good idea. I was actually the youngest person at my school to wear makeup, but turns out the older I got, the worse I got at it. So I never got better like these kids did. James Charles talks about how he got into makeup and how he just
found it one day and started playing with it, and then
all of a sudden he just got good. That good part never really happened to me. So now this is my channel, which is really great, obviously, as you can tell. I basically have 10 million subscribers. Same thing, pretty much. Yeah, no issues there. It's been 11 minutes and I'm only putting on primer, so this is... I'm a little stressed. Okay. Easy. I'm gonna take this concealer and put it all over my face because I don't have foundation. This is usually the part where they go get their beauty blender wet, but mine got moldy and my dog ate it. So I have these. I really should have bought a beauty blender for this. What am I doing? Yep, nope, this is my only option. Why does this like not look bad yet? Especially on camera, you like can't really tell if stuff isn't all the way blended or if stuff looks really cakey. These cameras just like to like slightly blur out your face a little bit. So if you ever meet me in real life and you're like,
She's like a little uglier than I thought she'd be.
that's why. Fair warning for everyone out there. Gotta keep those expectations low. Okay, fingers are so underrated. I just blended that entire thing with my fingers and it's basically a beauty blender. Oh no. Don't want to flashback Mary. That's the wrong tutorial. I feel like I look scary with makeup on. Things are about to get spookier. Oh, silly goose, get back in there. Oh, I should probably do bronzer. That's a thing. Now this, I hit
Pan on.
yeah, that's right. Beauty guru status when she hits pan. Oh, snap. She does bronzer badly. I don't know how to contour, okay? There's powder in my mouth. I don't have any reason for anything I do with makeup. I just, oh my gosh. My forehead is just brown now. Okay, just gotta keep going. Gotta keep on believing. Just gonna keep, and you're just gonna make it look better. Fine. Dang it. Contour looks so bad to me. Oh, I got it a little close. Okay, well, now I just look like a burnt piece of toast, but I guess that's better that it's toast than just like white bread, you know, so. There is no part of me that is purposely being bad at makeup to make this a comical video. I'm not a comedy channel, I'm actually trying. Do you understand why this is sad now? This is me trying. Okay, I did the base. I haven't even started the makeup yet and it's so bad. Okay, let's continue.
My Morphe 35B palette.
I looked for this palette online and they don't sell it anymore, to my knowledge. So I went to Ulta. Makeup haul. Wait, what the heck? Oh, okay, this was a gift. I was like, I did not buy this. Oh, my nail. Don't ever get acrylic nails. When they come off, your nails will be so weak. I have not seen a doe foot applicator in years. What? I just opened it and it broke. Whoa. Wow. I don't know when you're supposed to use that, but it's nice.
So I'm just gonna blend this very, very carefully, making sure that this doesn't get too high up. What's left of that shadow on the brush and just winging it out as well.
Okay, okay, well he didn't show the brush. James, you have to hold my hand during this process. I cannot just be let off the leash. I don't know, okay? I don't know what he uses, so I'm just gonna use that. Okay, he said go in with a very light hand because blues are hard colors to work with. Okay, that is not my fault. This eyeshadow is bad. How, he wings it out? I want to quit this video already. What? I already screwed it up. Oh man. Okay, this is going well. Yep, looks pretty much identical to me. So, as you can see, I really like deepened up the crease with the darker blue color, just right in that crease, you know, just really deepened it up. It really gives it a lot of 3D dimension type looks. So, yeah, just get it right in there and it's perfect.
Watch another tutorial on a half cut crease.
Okay, I'm gonna be honest. I don't enjoy this. Go watch a different foundation tutorial. Go watch a half cut crease tutorial. I need it now, for right now. It is smart though, because that gives his other videos views, but anyways. Now we're gonna just give that more dimension in the crease, deep color, okay. Yep, good, okay, move on. What is cut my crease?
And then I'm just gonna...
Yay, I bought glitter for this. I got a Baby Fix Plus. I've always watched beauty gurus do this since I was 10, I've never done this. Okay, so now I'm just gonna spray my brush with some Fix Plus. I completely missed the brush. How do they do that? You have to like literally aim. Oh, okay, well now it's too wet. Wow, even spraying a brush with Fix Plus is hard. Who would have known? So hyper, yes I am. Wait, that's so cute. I love that. Oh my gosh, it scared me so bad. I am so paranoid living alone. That's the eyes, so pretty good. pretty good. How did I make that color? I like don't have that color anywhere now. Oh my gosh. That brush is sharp and it went in my eye. Okay, now the eye look is done.
Face skeleton look.
Yay, fun part. Ooh, fun bow.
Okay, so my camera died and I didn't catch it. I mean, imagine that. Are we really surprised at this point? But what I did is I started off with my 2 top front teeth and sketched those in and then just started out from there.
What? James, you can't keep doing your makeup off camera. I'm just so lost. How? James, why do you do this to me? What am I doing? Oh my gosh. This is good. This is great.
Basically, this entire top line that I just made was completely wrong, so I'm just gonna grab my beauty blender and quickly try to—
What? So he did this wrong and I was following the tutorial and then afterwards he tells me
it's completely wrong, so—
Well, I don't have a beauty blender, so we can just— It's like he's trying to prank me. Like he just wants me to fail. Why does he do like 1/2 of his face at a time? Like I can't do that, you know what I mean? Okay. Oh, my nose looks kind of cute with the highlight. Wow, the first good thing I've done all day. I'm so confused.
Don't worry if it's not perfect.
Oh my gosh, that is so uneven. How are these lines like— I thought I was gonna be good at this, I'm not gonna lie. This is Halloween, this is Halloween. I just looked at myself compared to James. It's fine, we're almost done. This is Halloween. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm getting a little bored. Just being honest. Awesome, I answered the phone like this and I didn't know the video camera was on and then everyone just started laughing because what is on my face? All right, this is the fun part that I've been waiting for. I bought the exact same product, I believe. I can't wait. This is just gonna take me from drab to fab. Why is mine not as bright as his? What? This is a scam. Look at that. Why is his so bright? That is literally the most disappointing thing. Why is his so pigmented? I literally like just opened this. I thought this was the same exact product too. Okay, I am thoroughly unimpressed. It's not even showing up. This is a scam. Awesome. Well, okay, I'm back. Well, so this is the finished look. Basically I'm stealing James Charles's career with this video. I really hope if he watches this, he doesn't feel threatened by my makeup ability. I went into this really humble, like not really thinking I could make much of it, but it turns out that I'm like a makeup genius. This video was so fun, just really love, you know, discovering new avenues of just really my talent. With me, the possibilities are endless, you know? I pick up a makeup brush, I'm a makeup artist, basically. So, yeah, that was really fun. Hope I didn't flex too hard on you with this look. There's my microphone just in the frame because I'm a YouTuber. Awesome. So yeah, this is the finished look. Hopefully I get to see you guys recreating what I created, obviously. This is very original of me. Yeah, this went terribly. I can't even believe how badly it went. Like, I knew it would be like kind of funny, but this is tragic. Well, it is Halloween season, it's pretty spooky, ha. Okay, yeah, that's all I got for this Fam Friday, guys. Let me know if this was a good video to you. If you don't want to type out a comment, you can just click the thumbs up button, and if you feel bad for me, you can click the subscribe button to join the family. And if you like extra feel bad for me, you can turn on the post notifications because YouTube definitely doesn't recommend stuff like this to you, which is, you know, I think you deserve to see this in your feed every week. This is quality. Okay, that's enough. Happy Halloween. You can follow me on Instagram to see what I end up being, or my vlog channel. I have one of those. I post way too much on it. So yeah, love you. Yeah, okay, bye.